Liberty Account's integrated stock module can handle the simple and the more complex requirements of stock management as needed for manufacturing companies. Under stock settings, those manufacturing companies can use bills of material, and that'll be based on standard cost. You can choose your costing basis if not using bills of material. Under units of measurement, you'll set up different units of measurement, each hours kilos. And now we'll look at the stock items themselves. When the stock items are set up, if it's a simple case of goods bought in and sold, then that's how it's recorded. But manufacturing companies might use labor, raw materials. Now let's look at a stock item where it's made up by manufacturing, and we identify the items that go to make it up, and the system will provide a unit cost for you. From your stock menu, you'll then have the options to add your sales orders and purchase orders, and for manufacturing, adding a works order. Please contact us for further information on this and other features of Liberty Accounts.